Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, fog lights, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.